everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to fold an origami heart bookmark. So, this model is about an intermediate model, and let's get a book and I'll show you how it works. So let's say you have a copy of one of my newest books, Outer Space Origami, which if you want a copy, go to paperfoldingfun.com and there's a link to where you can buy it on Amazon. So open it up, and just like that, and now your place is saved. So now I'll show you how to fold it. So you're going to want a piece of paper. I took a regular square piece of paper and I folded it in half, and you then rip it and cut it along that line that you folded. So this particular piece is 10 inches by 5 inches. So I'm going to start by taking this corner, folding it over to that edge, just like that, then unfold, then fold this corner to that point that you folded, right there, and unfold. Then you're going to want to fold this edge over to this edge of your model, just like that, and unfold. Then you're going to want to fold these bottom edges to the center crease in your model, just like that, to both edges, like that. Then fold these edges to the center, like that, and this edge too. Now you're going to want to fold these two edges to this center, but you only want to make that crease to this horizontal crease. You're going to want to fold it like that, and don't make the crease any further than that horizontal crease. And you're going to want to unfold that and repeat on this side. No further than that crease, just like that. Then you want to fold that crease backwards, just like that, and then fold these little edges to those edges, the vertical creases, then unfold, and do unfold again. Now you're going to want to open this up and push the horizontal crease, and then squash that down, and then repeat on this side. You're going to want to make sure you have that diamond shape clear, then fold it along that horizontal crease. Then you're going to want to fold that edge back, just like that. Okay, now in this part of the video you can pause it until you catch up to this part, and then push play again and we can continue. Okay, so the next step is to take these little corners and fold them over. This is going to start forming your actual heart of the bookmark, just like that. Then unfold, and then open this up and squash fold that in there, just like that. Now you're going to fold these sides over, turn your model over like that. Then you're going to want to fold these edges to the center, And fold that back down, and there is your origami heart bookmark. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to go and check out paperfoldingfun.com to get the diagrams for this. Also, if you go to paperfoldingfun.com and go to my products page, you'll be able to order Outer Space Origami and my 2 other books, Barnyard Origami and Ocean Origami. So, I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye for now.